guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing super amazing. I make a couple of videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. So in today's video, we've got a KMART haul. I feel like it's been forever since I've done a KMART haul, but not to say that I haven't been shopping at KMART. I've just been buying bits and pieces everywhere, so it's actually not enough to make a video. Finally, we've got an order that I can show you guys. With my KMART orders, it usually always comes in multiple packages because they have to source it from different KMARTs around Australia and then send it from different locations. But this one, we've got one box here which I haven't opened. The first box I have already opened actually because they were quite big and I really needed the items. So it's like a microwave, a garbage bin, and the rest of the stuff is in here. So I'll show you guys the microwave and the bin first, and then we can get opening on this. It's for our microwave. Our previous one actually started like burning, so it's quite dangerous, and KMART had this really pretty one that I was looking at and I thought I'd give KMART a try. I'm so far quite happy with it. I went onto the website and I kind of purchased the microwave with the most reviews and also the most aesthetically pleasing. So that's this one here. This one is a 34-litre microwave. It's got 499 positive reviews, so it's got 5-star out of 5-star, and it's also the prettiest looking one in my opinion. It's nice, it's sleek, it's modern, and it's got like a mirror on the front, which I absolutely love. So this microwave has 10 power levels, 6 auto cooking menus, child safety lock, LED display, mirror and glass door. You can check all the specs online because I will be leaving everything that I've mentioned today in the description down below, and it also has a warranty of 12 months. I thought 34 litres was actually quite large, but now that it's in its spot, it fits perfectly. The whole thing itself is about 30 centimetres in height, 53.9 centimetres across, and about 40 centimetres deep. I am so happy with it. It looks so nice where it is right now, and for $99 I just cannot complain. Super happy with it at the moment. We've probably used it for about a week now. The other item that I've already opened is a bin. So basically, prior to Peanut, our bin was actually quite small. I found it quite annoying when he tries to sniff the bin, so we did end up purchasing a much larger bin with a lid, which he just absolutely cannot reach, and that's probably been the best decision ever. So what we have is this bin here. This is the 30-litre matte grey rectangular pedal bin. It also has about 268 positive 5-star reviews, and honestly this is just such a great size. For that size, it's actually 30 litres. The price is just amazing. It's such good value, just like all the other KMART products. I did look online for other bins for about 30 litres, and if you wanted the good sensor ones, they can actually go up to over $150, which I thought was a bit extreme just for a bin. So I actually just settled for this pedal bin. It's so easy, you don't need to touch it with your hands either. Just step on it and it opens, and it soft closes as well, so it closes down slowly. What I love about this, it's also got an inner bin, so it's much easier to clean and it's more hygienic. And then you've got the matte finish on the outside. The bin itself is around 59 centimetres tall, 33 centimetres across, and about 23 centimetres in width. So that's actually the perfect size for what I was looking for. And now Peanut can't smell it because there's a lid and he just absolutely cannot reach that bin. So it's been a great decision. Alrighty, so now it's actually time to open this package together. We have this is ramekins, or they've called it pinch bowls. Basically, we've had so many of these broken or lost. So these are the 2-pack white contour pinch bowls. These were $3 each packet. It's just great for dipping sauces, putting your sides in, and we only have about 1 of these left at home. Our current one that we have left is not from Kmart, but it looks quite similar. So I think these are just really cute, really simple. They're not expensive either, and they're made of porcelain. These are also dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe. And I think these are just super versatile to hold condiments, sauces, spices, whatever you like. Next, I got myself a Bluetooth body analysis scale. I wanted to actually weigh Peanut, and I realized we don't have a scale at home. Usually I just weigh myself at the gym, but I thought it'd be quite handy to actually have one at home, and this does your full like body analysis and everything. This also has quite a few reviews, 134 to be exact, and it was only $29. Why not? This will help you keep a tab of your body weight as well as your overall body fat. It also looks super sleek, stylish, which is always a bonus. It's about 30 to 31 centimeters and about 2 centimeters high. It's made of plastic, glass, and metal. This goes up by 100-gram increments. It's got a body hydration and body fat indicator, muscle mass and bone percentage, user memory, LCD display, Bluetooth, and also links to a free downloadable app, which pretty much tracks your progress, shows you a graph, gives you the full analysis, and you can also sync and share your data. This tracks progress for about 12 users. I actually wanted to show you guys an example of how it works, but it's not turning on. It does need a battery to run, so I'm not going to do it today. And finally we have this, which is a kids round stool. I actually wanted to use this as plant stand. I've kind of measured it and everything, but let's just see how it's gonna look and fit. Actually so simple to assemble. I didn't even need a screwdriver. You literally just screw the legs on and here it is. This is about 38.5 centimeters in height. The stool itself diameter is 25.5 centimeters and it's about 33 centimeters width. The maximum weight capacity on these is 50 kilograms, which is a lot more than I actually thought it would hold. It's made of medium density fireboard and also pine wood. I don't have a child, unfortunately, so this is going to be my little plant stand, and you could definitely also use this as like a little side table, but I wanted something white. This is meant to be for this plant right here, and this is a pot which I also grabbed from Kmart as well. How does it look? This is actually the perfect size for it. I'm so happy with it. There is about 1 centimeter gap around the side, which is okay, and I think it totally goes well together. I'm so happy with this. And we have another package here. This is Peanut's pajamas, I'm guessing. This is just the cutest thing ever. This is the dog pajamas in a size small. It's made of polyester and cotton. It feels quite soft, which is why I wanted one for him in the first place. Hopefully this will fit him, but Peter's sleeping at the moment, so I'll show you guys when he wakes up. But on the label it does give you some dog breeds that are suitable to each size, so that helps. But obviously it's a guideline only. For the indicative dog breeds for the size small, you've got your Jack Russell, Pug, Shih Tzu, Pomeranians, and I think Toy Poodles kind of fit in there, but then Peanut is a little fluffy at the moment, so hopefully he will still fit. So cute. Alright, so that does bring us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I know I've just ordered a whole bunch of random stuff, but I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed shopping at Kmart. Follow me on Insta if you want to see daily content. Connect with me in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now, take care.